Hello, and welcome to a room tour of a king one-bedroom suite at the Doubletree by Hilton Quebec Resort. The Doubletree is located about 20 minutes northwest of Old Quebec City and sits on a golf course which provides pleasant views and a quiet stay. We had dinner and breakfast at the on-site restaurant and really enjoyed our meals. We stayed here in September of 2024 before our cruise down to Boston and spent a few days enjoying the sights of Quebec City. And now onto our room tour. Here in the main area, there's a full-length mirror just to the right of the door, as well as your climate controls. You can see a sofa and a desk with power and an HDMI connection for the TV with a light above. Below is your mini fridge. Behind the sofa is what looks to be a Murphy bed, but I didn't move the sofa in order to test it out. Here's the view of the golf course from our room. There's a large flat panel TV on the wall and a chair and table. On the other side of the room, you'll find your coffee facilities, as well as a full-size safe that will fit a laptop. Below is some extra storage, with a closet to the right with your iron and ironing board. As we move into the bedroom, you can see a very comfortable king-size bed and some storage here to the right. There's another large flat panel TV here with separate climate controls on the wall. I really didn't get it on film, but on either side of the bed was a plug and a light control for the overhead light. And there's a large closet with additional bedding. Now we'll move into the bathroom. There's plenty of storage space under the sink vanity, an illuminated vanity mirror on the wall, as well as a large backlit mirror above the sink. There's a large walk-in shower with glass doors and the normal Crabtree and Evelyn products for Doubletree. This bathroom is very spacious and made getting ready in the morning very easy. And that concludes our tour of a king one-bedroom suite at the Doubletree by Hilton Quebec Resort. Thanks for watching.